One day I was walking past the Westcott Community Center, which is just on my way home, and there was a notice that they were looking for people with expertise to come to their after-school program and share their skills.
We're going to move on to doing an activity with the Easter eggs.
I reached out to people in the biology department, and we all kind of thought that this was an amazing way to use something that already existed, that was within our community, and bring what we have, which is all of this training in biology, to them. And so we started going about twice a month, doing different activities led by graduate students, postdocs, and faculty from the different labs in the biology department, as well as from other departments. We're able to secure some funding from the Society for the Study of Evolution, and so we're hoping to keep it going as long as we can.
End of your chopstick and twirling it in the DNA layer, and you're going to spool the DNA or make it all collect on the end of the wooden skewer.
Introducing them to basic scientific principles at an early age really drives their interest and willingness to investigate science throughout their entire life. So one of the core principles in biology is the inheritance of genetic material. And so the first activity we did yesterday was to demonstrate that two particular food items, wheat germ and banana, both have DNA molecules that are similar to the DNA molecules found in humans. So we went through a procedure where they ground up the tissue, broke through the cell walls, and got to the DNA, which they were then able to swirl or spool and connect in a vial that they could actually see.
This is all the DNA.
Yeah.
It's been really, really exciting. So they definitely like anything that they can take home. So we've done a couple of food science activities where they've made butter and they've made pickles, and it's really exciting to see how they start to realize that there is so much science in kind of the everyday things that they interact with.
I feel great providing scientific opportunities to children within the school district, but also providing opportunities to the members of our department to participate and share their knowledge.
Having someone kind of come and be like, you can be a scientist, was one of the entries into then in class paying a little more attention, because you think, oh, this is something I could do. And just even having the idea of, if this is something I would want to do, here's what that looks like, is that, oh, you stay in school, and oh, this is, you work in a lab. And so that's always just been something that's important to me and that I hope to continue doing no matter what.